Hi guys, this is Natalie from Wiplabs.com, your go-to store for innovative crowdfunded tech products. Today I'm very excited to show you the Ember temperature control mug. We get to show you both the Ember with the handle on like the smaller version and also the travel mug. So let's get right into it. We'll start with the mug. Handy tack pen. Oh, love that feeling. Oh, so there's this mug comes in black and white. Nice square box, very packable. Slide off the sleeve. And here we have another, oh, actually this is easy. That off. And then just lift that up, and there you see the very, very beautiful black Ember. Pull it out. Very nice. And also in the box is the plate. Tells you to dry it well. Water can cause damage, so dry the mug. So this is the charging plate. And a couple of stickers and some instructions, and then of course the plug to plug the charging plate into. That. So that is the base. Here tells you to take this off before you charge. Essentially, you can take the Ember and attach it to your app on your phone, both smartphone or Android, or iPhone or Android, and from there you can control the temperature of whatever is in your mug, coffee, tea, and you set the temperature to what you want, and it'll keep it there. There's actually a Tesla grade battery in here, true. And it will hold the temperature, even if you don't keep it on the base the whole time. You can carry it around the office, and it'll actually hold the temperature of your coffee or tea for up to 2 hours. So that's pretty cool. So it makes it a little bit more heavy, but I kind of like it. It gives it like this substantial feeling. It looks beautiful on your desk. That is the mug, the Ember mug, the original. And now let's go check out the travel mug. Here's the travel mug. Box is bigger. Slide this sleeve off, and pretty orange box, and there it is. Here's the travel mug. Also that nice soft hand feel, same as this mug, the regular. Right there. Let's see what else is in the box. Oh. Alright, some directions, quick start guide, how you use it, and the base. Looks nice, like that. A couple more instructions, some stickers, and the charging cord, which I'm going to leave there for now. We don't need that. Yeah, so the cool thing about the travel mug is that it, unlike the one for your desk, you can actually customize it, and you can turn it on and off and actually adjust the temperature right from the mug itself. So you turn it on by pressing the Ember, press and hold, and then it comes on. And then down at the bottom, you can adjust the temperature just by twisting it to whichever you like. Similar to the other mug, it has a battery that will hold the charge or hold your temperature for up to 2 hours. Or of course, if you want to keep it on your desk like this, it'll hold your charge forever, or not forever, but as long as you're on there. The lip, the seal is very nice. It has a sizable space inside. It's got a bit of weight to it, but it's not super heavy, and honestly it feels nice in your hand. So that's it. That's the two Ember mugs that we have at Wiplabs.com. This one we also have in white. which looks really nice as well and matches if you want a cleaner look on your desk. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you'd go for the travel mug, if you'd like the white mug, which one if you've backed it before on Kickstarter, or if you've seen it before. We'd love to hear your comments. My name's Natalie from Wiplabs.com, and I hope to see you on the store again soon.